Hey guys, thank you for coming to my channel. In today's tutorial I'll be showing you how I achieve this baby right here, like this eyebrow, like yeah. Yes guys, I'll be showing you a detailed, simple and easy way to achieve this baby right here. So without wasting much of your time, let's move to the video. In the meantime, well, just so you know, this eyeshadow will be done in another video, so please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button so you can be notified when this eyeshadow look comes out.
I'll start by setting my eyebrows to avoid shine or crease throughout the day. Then I would use a spoolie brush to brush out my brow hairs. Either use an eye pencil or brow gel to draw your brows. I'll be using the Maybelline eyebrow gel and the eyebrow brush to draw my eyebrow. You can use a regular eye pencil to achieve the same result. I usually recommend trimming your brows prior to drawing. This makes it easier to neatly trace your brows with less stress. I would recommend using the provided eyebrow brush or an angle brush for a more detailed application, and it helps in drawing that desired perfect line for your brows. So once that is done, I would use the excess gel in my brush to fill in those spaces in between the lines I have just drawn. Next, I would use the spoolie brush to get the hairs out of the way and to uncover areas that haven't got any gel on. As you can see, I didn't fill in the front part of my brow, so now I'm going to brush that area in to have that natural brow look and fill in the spaces. You can either use an angle brush or a flat brush. I'll be using the light shade from LA Girl Pro Concealer to slowly line my brows. Because I've already applied my foundation, you want to apply just enough quantity of concealer for lining underneath your eyebrow to avoid excess product on the face, which makes it difficult to blend and might ruin the entire facial look. Using a brighter shade of concealer helps to brighten the eye area, correct any imperfections, and gives the eyes a highlighted effect. As you can see, I only applied just enough concealer for my eye area. So I'm going to blend this in with a blending sponge. The same technique goes for lining the upper brows, but this time I'm using a concealer shade that is closer to my skin tone. This will make it easier to blend into my foundation. You want to slowly and carefully do this step, as your actions here will either make or mar your expected look, especially for those of us who like to plan our brow look the day before. So guys, you have to really take this easy, slowly and gently to achieve that perfect finish. So now I'll apply my foundation to blend properly into the eye area. This is used to dim this area a bit and give that natural effect. At this point, you can apply a powder to finish up the look, or you could apply an eyeshadow primer. That is if you want to apply an eyeshadow. Then I'm generously blending the powder in with my precision flat angle brush. Also, don't forget to blend the lower brow arc area for a more perfect finish. Like seriously, trust me guys, I'm definitely using these brows for my simple eyeshadow tutorial.
So if you want to see that, please subscribe and click on the notification button so you will be notified when it comes out. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.